Hello, hello. My name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 21 December 2021. And today's Viva topic is video topic is exception handling in Java. So, what is the exception handling? What is exception, and what is the type of what what is the type of exception handling? Exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. In this, we will see exception exception in a Java. Exception is abnormal condition, means it we will create create a default exception. So in Java, exception is a event that normal flow of the program. It is one of it is an object which thrown at a runtime. So exception handling is a mechanism to handle a runtime errors such as a class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, and remote exception, etc. So what is the advantages of exception handling? The core advantages of exception handling is maintain the normal flow of the application, and an exception is normal flow of application. That is why we need to handle exception. So suppose there are 10 statement in a Java program, and exception is occurs at a statement 5. The uh, the rest of the code will not executed. Mm, Statement 6 to 10 will be not executed. However, when we perform exception handling, the rest of statement will execute. That is why we use exception handling in Java. So what is the hierarchy of exception classes? The java.lang.throwable class is root class of a Java. Exception hierarchy inherited by two subclasses, exception and error. The hierarchy of exception class is throwable. There are two parts, exception and error. In that exception, we will see IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, and runtime exception. In that runtime exception, we will see arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, and index out of bound exception. In the index out of bound exception, we will see array index out of bound exception, and string index out of bound exception. In other side, we will see error. So in that error, we will see stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and out of memory error. So types of Java exceptions. There are mainly two types: exception, check, and unchecked exception. So error is considered as unchecked exception. Uh, According to Oracle, there are three types of exception. First one is a checked exception, second is a unchecked exception, and third is error. Difference between checked and unchecked exception. So checked exception is a class that directly inherit the throwable class, except runtime exception and error are known as checked exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. Checked exception are checked at compile time, and we'll see other one is unchecked exception. The class that inherits the runtime exception are known as unchecked exception. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, and string index out of bound exception, etc. Unchecked exception are not checked at compile time, but they are checked at runtime. So third one is a error that is error is a exception. There are three types. Third one is error. Error is a uh, error is a irrecoverable exception. So some error are out of memory error, virtual machine error, and assertion error, etc. So Java exception keywords. What is the keywords of Java exception to handle the exception? First one is a try, second is a catch, third is a final, fourth is a throw, and sixth is a throws. So first is a try. Try keyword is used to specify a block where we should place exceptions code. It means we cannot try block alone. The try block must be followed by catch or finally. So next is a catch block is used to handle the exceptions. It must be uh, precise by try block, which means we cannot use catch block alone. It can be followed by finally block later. So finally is a block is used to execute the necessary code of the program. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. So mm, throw is a keyword is used to throw an exception, and throws is a keyword used to declare an exception. So these are the some examples and some points in exception handling. Thank you.